Hi guys. Okay, this is DIY games part 2. So this game is called Jumping Ghost because our popping thing is a ghost. It's not too much DIY, but all you need to do is have a football, not football, any ball, and you need to have one of these popping things. It's just called jumping, and then whatever of these popping things you have, it's whatever design it is, it's called jumping whatever you have. Okay. So it's simple. You gotta put the ghost on the ground and squeeze it down so it pop at any random moment. Then I'll tell all your friends to get in a position. That's not on TV or anything. Okay? You can't see it, my friends over here. If you have the ball while the ghost pops up, you're out. And if someone does a really fast throw, you can dodge it. Okay? If you touch the ball while someone if you touch the ball and it misses, like if you touch it and it comes out of your hand, you're out. If you double touch it, you're out. And if you miss the catch and it was simple, you're out. Like I just said, if the ghost or whatever thing you have pops up, then the person who had it is out. So it popped up and I had it, so I'm out. Now it's me versus it. And you just repeat it, but whoever got out is out of the round, and the other people continue playing. So. Okay. Okay. I'll give it a there's one question. So Aiden will throw it here. Aiden will throw it. And I catch. And we just keep going. Until the ghost pops, or someone dodges it and it goes too fast. Oh, Rowan had the ball now, and the ghost popped, so he's out, and Aiden won! Okay, so now that's how you play Jumping Ghost. Have fun with your own. Bye!